Need 24-hour emergency plumbing services in York, Harrogate and Leeds? Plumber 24 to the rescue. We're based in York, covering neighbouring cities, towns and villages within a 40-mile radius of York city centre, carrying out general plumbing and oil boiler repair, service and installation tasks. Maybe it's simply a dripping tap. You may want a new sink or have an outside tap, or you want to treat yourself to a new bathroom suite. Just give us a call and we'll provide you with a cost-effective solution to your needs, with no hidden extras and at a time to suit you. Visit us online. Call Plumber 24.